Next, I will show how we do our practical realization. First, I will introduce how we make our double pendulum briefly. First, I use two screwdrivers as our rotating axis and some wooden sticks to be the rotating arm, and a lot of wire to fix them, and two of the $10 to increase its weight. And this may be the equipment looks like. At the first experiment, I tried to discharge it at a horizontal level. And I make it as our control group and change some variable at the following experiment. At the second experiment, I try to discharge it at a higher level. We can find that the double pendulum swings at a larger degree, and the time it lasts is also longer than the first experiment. At the third experiment, I tried to get rid of the two of the $10. We can find that the second arm also the lower arm is swing at a very big degree. But if we observe it carefully, we can find it was the double pendulum was swing at a unstable way. At the fourth experiment, we try to exchange the two of the $10 with the $5. We can find that the degree it swings is smaller than the between the first experiment and the third experiment. The time elapsed is also. Last is our conclusion. We can find that the experiment video is far away from the idealism. So we list some reasons we think may affect our experiment. First is the friction. I think if it was a problem, the physical experiment will also face. The second is the pivot is not stable. I think we try to do our equipment a different way, but we didn't found the suitable support to fix our equipment. So we have no choice but to fix our to take the equipment by hand. The third one is it swings at a different plane. I think uh, when we are making the equipment, we want to reduce the friction, so we make the hole a little bit bigger than the screwdriver. But it cause the problem is when the double pendulum is swinging, it will have a little bit displacement, so it will swing at a different plane, which is not perpendicular to the rotating axis. Three of them will cause the energy will not be conserved. And the fourth reason is M1 is more heavier than M2. The M1 means the middle point weight, and the M2 means the end point weight. So M1 is the screwdriver, which is very heavier, and the M2 may just be two of the $10 or nothing, or the $5. Yeah. So if we observe the video carefully, we can find that the middle point will always falling first, then the uh, end of the point. So I think it will influence the double pendulum. It will make this equipment more like the single pendulum. It will not be a double pendulum. So it is our conclusion. Thank you for listening.